If you're 18 years and above, you own a laptop, a smartphone, or an iPad, this video is for you, because I'm about to share with you how to make money at home from the comfort of your home just by testing apps, websites, or completing simple tasks. I'm going to share with you 3 companies today that are hiring people like you and I, people who don't like to go to the office or people who do not have office jobs. Okay, so if you're interested, if you're looking for how to make extra income from the comfort of your home, you can be stay-at-home mom or dad, retiree, whichever one you are, watch this video because it's going to interest you. All right, so I'm also going to share my screen to show you guys how it works and the sign up process. So if you're interested, don't click away, watch the video till the end. Most importantly, leave a like, comment, and share. So guys, don't forget to also turn on your post notification bell so that whenever I post new videos, you'll be the first person or among the first to see the video. Don't be discouraged, keep signing up. And as I'm sharing with you guys, I'm also signing up because I too need the money. These YouTube videos don't pay, so I need the money. That is why I'm also signing up as I'm showing you guys. And I do a lot of research to bring you guys about. Like I mentioned, most of these companies, what they do basically is they hire you and I to test websites, test apps, or complete simple tasks. Sometimes we are hired to, transcribe and translate files, that's audio files or video files, into Word document. Sometimes you're hired to train AIs. Meanwhile, you do not need any experience whatsoever. Some of them have onboarding trainings. They have tests, learning, tests that will help you, that will equip you to do these jobs. So when you sign up, make sure you go through their onboarding test, take the screening test to qualify, and start earning. A lot of them pay out via PayPal, some pay out via gift card options, and Skrill. I also talk about you guys getting a PayPal account. If you're in Africa, get a PayPal account. If you're in Nigeria, especially, get a domiciliary account. Or you can get someone else's PayPal email address, because you must make sure that the email address which you use in signing up is the same with your PayPal address. If you trust the person, you can use their details to sign up as long as you get the money. But I suggest you walk into your bank and ask them for a DOM account, and then once you sign, they give you the details. You can then use it to sign up on PayPal. So having said this, which is very important, let's dive into the main video. So guys, go to Google and search for testerwork.com, and it brings you to this page. You can see the companies that they partner with. So they test apps for companies like Facebook, Google, Verizon, Microsoft, Evernote, Instagram, Masterclass, and so on. This is how it works. You sign up, you complete 3 steps. It says Q&A assignment. Then you test apps and websites. So they will send you exclusive invites to join their latest test cycles. They have new cycles every day. So once the test is complete, you can relax and they will pay you, right? So you make money for the bugs that you report and test cycles you complete. Also go through their payment policy. The amount of money you get paid depends on the type of test. Also, it will be clearly stated on the invitation email. Whenever there's a available test for you, they will email it to you, and also includes the price or the amount that you're going to make from that test. If you like and is what you want, you can go ahead and complete and get paid. So it says, depending upon the test invite, you'll be paid for every approved bug. And if there's a duplicate report, only the first one will be approved and paid. That is why it's important that you complete your task as soon as you receive the email. You don't just leave it and complete it at your own time, because other people are hustling. I might be the one to complete it, okay, and get the money. So you'll be paid at the end of every test cycle in dollars. The time it takes to receive payment is approximately 2 weeks following the test cycle. In case your payment is lower than the general payout threshold, $5, the transfer will be managed together with the following payouts. So the threshold for payment for tester work is $5. So once you receive or you make up to $5, your money will be paid to you. So to receive payment, you must submit complete bug reports. So read their bug reporting guidelines and bug severity guidelines for details. Everything you need to know is here. So payments are made via PayPal or Upwork. For Upwork, almost every country is there. So go there, check if your country is there, sign up and check it out. I don't know how they do it, but just check it out. It says they pay via PayPal or Upwork, right? But PayPal account is the sure thing for me. So to sign up, click on this place, become a tester, and it brings you here. You enter your email address, choose a password. Guys, I'm also signing up because I need the money. Like I said, I need the money. So then you sign up. You now need to confirm your email address. So once you confirm your email address, you're good to go. Let's check it out. Make sure you input or you use email address that you have access to, not the one that you do not have access to. Okay? So that you will always receive email as soon as jobs are available. Then you log back in. So this is my home page now. You can see that I just joined. I've only completed the first step, which it has about 4 steps to go. Choose your country, your first name, birthday, your country of residence, your payout method, and then you complete the sign up, and that's how it's done. So the second one we're looking at is called Get Paid. It's called User Happy. This one is called User Happy. So how it works is that you begin the process by taking the first step and joining. Click on joining now. To test usability, you complete a 20-minute test by sharing your thoughts when reviewing a website or app, and then you get paid. This one is clearly stated. You make $10 for every test completed. Get paid through PayPal or with a Target or Starbucks e-gift card. So I think we all agree that PayPal is the best option. Yeah, so this is it. Go to Google, search for userhappy.com and sign up. So how do you sign up? Just complete the online form. Once you have signed up, you will receive an email with your account information. When there's a user testing opportunity that matches your profile, you will be notified by email and ask. So that's why I always talk about completing your profile. Make sure you complete your profile so that you will get a test that matches your profile. So how long does a test take? Most tests take about 20 to 30 minutes, but some may be shorter or longer. For tests that are designed to be 30 minutes or longer, you will be notified when you receive the test details and the compensation amount here. So how much do you get paid? I've said it earlier. For 20 to 30 minutes, you'll be paid $10. But if it is more than 30 minutes, you'll be compensated. There will be an extra money for you. You need a special software. All you need is the Google Chrome browser, and also you also need the Chrome extension installed on your browser, and that's it for this one. And the last one is called CrowdGen by Appen. So you get paid to shape the future of AI. To get started, click on Get Started, and you become one of them. So this is what they do. They have jobs for on-site, one-off, cash, long-term, pay per hour, limited time, and so many of them. So if you want to sign up, just click on sign up. I've signed up already. That's why you're saying sign in. So just click on sign up, and it brings you to this page. So on this page, you can choose remote, hybrid, or on-site. You choose your location and all that you need. So they specifically mention people that they're looking for. You can see become a Bashka audio transcription specialist. So these ones mostly specialize in transcription and translation. Okay, but they will put the country there. So check if your country is here, or if you know the language, you can as well. So, but I can see that they have opportunities for now for people in Poland, Kazakhstan, United States, Turkey, Poland, Turkey, Denmark, Czech Republic, Hungary, Ukraine, Serbia, Argentina, Belgium, Australia, New Zealand, Switzerland, Mongolia, Kazakhstan, Ukraine, South Africa, Canada, France, Haiti, Mongolia, United Kingdom, Finland, Czech Republic, and Greece. Okay, they have other ones as well down here. You continue to get jobs if you know these languages. I do not know them. So it says mathematics prompt generation and annotation specialist, language model localization. So yeah, go sign up. If you know these languages, sign up for transcription or translation. It says Thai AI voice recognition participant. You can see for this one, speech recognition in UK, Scottish English accents. You earn $100 for this particular one, right? So guys, that's it. I don't want to waste too much time. The video has stretched for too long. Okay, this will do it for us for today, guys. Go and sign up ASAP and see if you get hired straight away. There's no doubt about that. But the thing is, are you ready to complete this task, or you're just gonna sit there? Make sure you use an email address that you have access to, because that is where the jobs will always go to on a daily basis. If you sign up, let me know in the comment section. If you complete any task, let me also know in the comment section, because this will help my community. Okay, so guys, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. Okay, join the family, join the community by subscribing. That's all you have to give back to me for making these videos, guys. Thank you so much for watching till this very end. I'll see you in another video.